Good evening, all of you. So, today we are going to see ninth chapter, that is logical reasoning. Logical reasoning. This is for 8th scholarship. So, we will try to solve problems in the book, in the practice book. So, there is a solved question number 1. The average of 6 members in a family is 36 years. The younger member, I will write here problem in short. The average of 6 members of family is 36 years. Okay, and the younger member's age, the younger member's age is 1 by 10th times 1 by 10th times to the oldest member's age. The difference between their ages is 45 years. The difference between their ages is 45 years. What will be the total age of other 3 members in family? What will be total age of the other 3 members in family? So this is the problem which is given. The average of 6 members in a family is 36 years. Main focusing points. The younger member's age is 1/10 times the oldest member's age. The difference between their ages is 45 years. Then find the total age of other 3 members in the family. So here a mistake is done while printing. So there are total 5 members in a family. Kindly correct this problem as of 5 members. So there are 5 members and we consider these 5 members as members of family. We consider here members of family as A, B, C, D, E. In this, we consider A as oldest and E as younger one or the youngest. Now, this family members average 5 members is 36 years. The average of 5 members ages of family members is 36 years. That means average is equals to sum divided by 5, as there are 5 members in a family. So A, B, C, D, these are the ages of all the 5 members. So average is given 36 years. So 36 is equals to sum of all the ages of all the members is A plus B plus C plus D plus E upon 5. So sum of ages of all, that is sum of ages of all is equals to A plus B plus C plus D plus E, that is equals to, shifting this 5 to the left side, it becomes 36 into 5. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equals to 5 6 are 33, 5 3 are 15 plus 3 is 18. So sum of all ages will be 180. Now, as we have already told that the age of younger member is 1/10 time of oldest member's age. Some younger age is equals to 1/10 of oldest age. So E is equals to 1/10 of E. E is equals to 1/10 of E. So this will become, by transferring this 10 to left side, 10 into E is equals to A. So A is equals to 10E. A is equals to 10E. Now their difference is given as 45 years. The difference between their ages is 45 years. That means oldest age minus youngest age is equals to 45. So oldest age is A, youngest age is E. So A minus E is equals to 45. So but we know A is 10E. So 10E minus E is equals to 45. So it's 9E is equals to 45, and E is equals to 45 divided by 9. So E becomes 9 ones are 9, 5s are, E becomes 5 years. E becomes 5 years. 45 divided by 9 is 5 years. So youngest age is 5 years. As youngest one is of 5 years, oldest one is 10E. Oldest is 10E, that is A. A is equals to 10E. So oldest age is A equals to 10 into 5, that is 50 years. So whoever is oldest, his age is 50 years. Whoever is youngest, his age is 5 years. In this way we can find out the oldest one and youngest one. But we are told to find the other three remaining, the total age of other three members. So as we know, here we have already mentioned an equation. The sum of all the ages is 180. So out of this, A we know, E also we know. So A plus B plus C plus D plus E is equals to 180. We mention this equation once again. We know A, we know E. The sum of all these 2 is 5 plus E is 5, A is 50. A is 50, E is 5. So plus B plus C plus D, that is equals to 180. So 5 plus 50 is 55, plus B plus C plus D, that is equals to 180. So B plus C plus D is equals to 180 minus 55. So 180 minus 55 is nothing but 185 plus this 55 is nothing but 5, 1, 8 minus 6 is 2, 125. So sum of their ages is sum of other three members age is 125. 125. Yes, it's a 125. Not necessarily it is years. So it's a sum of their other three members is 125. I think this will clear your concept how to solve these problems. So how we have decided this problem. So first, once again we revise this problem. The average of 5 members is A plus B plus C plus D upon 5 is equals to 36. Then we found out the sum of all the 5 members ages, that is 180. 36 into 5 is 180. Then we are provided with two conditions. First is the youngest age is equals to 1/10 of oldest age. That's why A is equals to 1/10 of A. From this equation we can get A is equals to 10A. Oldest age is, one more condition is there. Oldest age minus youngest age is difference 45 given. So A minus A is equals to 45. A already we know 10E. So 10E minus E is 45. From that A is equals to 5 years. Then youngest age is 5 years. So oldest age is 10E, that is equals to A. So A is equals to 10 into 5. As we know, E is 5 years. E is 5 years. So oldest age is 50 years. Now we know sum of all the ages is 180. Out of these two ages we already know, that is 5 and 50. So sum of remaining three ages, that is B plus C plus D, is equals to 125 in this way by solving 180 minus 55. So finally the answer is 125. I think explaining this problem will give more problem. It requires more time. But while solving by practice, it will be in very short time. So I hope you have understood this problem clearly.